What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys seen in the last video, the mower, that was like the first video where you guys saw the mower, but that mower got up some dirt hills there. So what we're gonna be doing is taking the top half of the engine, I believe this is the engine cover, taking the top half of this off because we have to get to the starter down here because we completely wore it out. So that's gotta come out. I'm gonna be doing the pulley swap down here if you guys can see it. What you do is you take that large pulley and bring it up, and it acts as the drive pulley. Since it's the larger pulley for the engine and the transaxle has a smaller pulley, it makes it faster pretty much. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna get the mower in here so that, and I'm not in the sun and it's hot as hell outside, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright guys, so as I told you, that starter, damn it, I'm on the wrong side of the mower. That starter right there is complete junk, so that's gotta come out. Looks like this little shroud pops off and we'll go from there. So for the majority of this video, I'm not gonna be recording because let's dead ass, who wants to see a mower get worked on apart from like cool shit like it actually getting fast? I'll record that part when I actually do the pulley swap and everything, but as for the starter, not really. Let me get everything removed and I'll get back to you guys when I'm done with that. Alright guys, we're back. I just got this in the mail over here. So right here, we have the new starter for the mower, as you guys can see right here. I don't know if I mentioned it in the previous video, but I was gonna pick the starter up. I picked that one off Amazon, but I was gonna pick the starter up off of a company right next to my dad's shop, and they wanted $100 for it, so I said no. I was ready to just sell the mower for that price. Then I found this one on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you guys have a mower. Make sure it takes the right starter because they all have different starters. I found this one for $35 on Amazon. Honestly, my expectations are really low for $35, so I'm gonna bring the mower in here, sitting outside right now. So let's get right into that. Finally, maybe this thing can freaking drive again. Oh, forgot the headlights were in there. Oh well, they didn't work anyway. Alright guys, so like I said, one thing I did replace, because as you saw in the video, the mower bogged down. It's probably the carburetor, but just in case, I changed the fuel filter right here. It was like $5, so I just slapped it on there. I put all these bolts in loose tight. I didn't even put this back on. I gotta take all this back apart again to get to the starter. Alright guys, so I got pretty much the entire thing done. This little shroud looking thing is all that's left to go on the top. I did make sure that it spun the starter before I put everything back together, and it does, so let's cross our fingers and hope that it doesn't break, because then I get to take this all back apart again. I think the carburetor problem is still an issue. I don't think that's fixed. But regardless, let's see if it works. Getting closer. Goes right there. Goes right there. I don't want to burn up this brand new fucking starter because this pile of shit don't want to fucking go. She was right there. Come on, come on, come on. Piece of shit. Fucking start for me. I need you to run. This is a pain in the ass, guys. Alright, what's up, guys? We are back the next day again. And clearly, as you guys can see in here, the mower is nowhere to be found. Because, yes, it ran and it drove out of here, but it doesn't want to run anymore. That didn't really fix the issue. It starts again, but I changed, like I said before, I changed the fuel filter and now the starter. So it wasn't bogging down because of the fuel filter, it was bogging down because of the carburetor needs to be rebuilt. Here's the mower. It drove out here. It does have a different wind-up sound when you when you turn it over. Obviously different starter, newer starter. If that was the original starter, that'd be badass because that thing would have lasted from 98. That's a long ass time for a starter. I don't think it was. There's no way it was the original starter. But you can see the new one sitting right there along with the new fuel filter right there. This seat's like falling off, as you guys can see. It's completely like, yeah, the tape is failing, sadly. I'm just happy that it actually runs and drives now, because before it just sat and we couldn't move it anywhere. I think that's all for today's video. I'm gonna go wash off the Monte Carlo because, as you guys can see, filthy, covered in shit. Unless it's gonna rain, I don't know, might. If it does, I won't then. That'll be it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, give it a like, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you at the next one.